In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage ChatGPT as a powerful study and lesson planning tool. As we go through this guide, you'll discover how ChatGPT can become an invaluable companion in your educational journey, offering explanations, generating practice materials, and more. First, let's get started by opening ChatGPT. You can do this by heading over to chat.openai.com. Once there, just log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar chat interface. From here, you can start a fresh chat session dedicated to your study needs or lesson planning endeavors. This clean slate is where all of the magic is going to happen. Now, let's dive into learning new topics with ChatGPT. Imagine you're wrestling with the theory of evolution and need a simplified explanation that makes sense to a high school student. All you have to do is type out your request, asking ChatGPT to explain the theory of evolution in easy-to-understand terms. What you'll get back is a concise, digestible explanation that makes even the most complex topics seem approachable. After gaining a basic understanding, it's time to reinforce that knowledge with practice questions and quizzes. You can ask ChatGPT to create 5 multiple-choice quiz questions, complete with answers, about the causes of World War II or any other topic you're studying. These questions are perfect for self-assessment or even for quizzing a study group. In addition to quizzes, sometimes you need a quick recap or summary of what you've read. ChatGPT can help by summarizing books like To Kill a Mockingbird, breaking it down into key themes, main characters, and a brief conclusion. This study summary can aid in grasping the essence of a text without getting bogged down in every detail. If writing is on your agenda, ChatGPT is there to lend a helping hand. Let's say you need to draft a formal 200-word essay introduction on climate change. Simply instruct ChatGPT to create an introduction that's both academic and captures the essence of the topic. It's a great way to overcome writer's block and ensure your essays start on the right note. While ChatGPT is a remarkable tool, it's important to understand its limitations in the educational landscape. On the plus side, it provides quick explanations, personalized learning, practice tests, and ideas, all accessible anytime. However, bear in mind that it might contain errors. It's not a replacement for textbooks or teachers. Additionally, there's the risk of plagiarism and a constant need for fact-checking to ensure accuracy. Finally, to maximize the utility of ChatGPT, save the best prompts you come across. Simply copy and paste them into a personal document so you have them at your fingertips for future reference. This practice will streamline your study sessions and teaching preparations, ensuring you have these powerful tools ready whenever needed. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide to using ChatGPT for educational purposes. Whether you're a student or a teacher, these techniques can significantly enrich your learning experience.